news. I'm McKinley to give you the latest in your local weather. We have reports of a blizzard in our area. Amir is on scene. Amir?
I'm Amir here to report the news. The weather is powerful today. I'm standing in the middle of a blizzard.
Amir, that sounds dangerous. What is a blizzard?
McKinley, a blizzard is a strong winter storm. It has high winds and very cold temperatures. Clouds form and fill with water vapor. Blizzards form in winter when a drop of cold air meets a drop of warm air.
Is there anything else we should know, Amir?
Wind makes the snow feel even colder than it is. Strong with falling snow fills the sky.
Thank you for your report. This is McKinley with Channel 7